I will show you today how to make a carrot shiitake soup. I'm gonna cut the carrot, which I have cleaned already with water. You see probably that I haven't peeled it, and I won't do that because in the skin there's a lot of flavor and vitamins, nutrition, and you want to keep all of this, huh? Then also you probably noticed that I cut the carrot very thin, and this is really important because this soup you only want to cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Yes, you heard right, 10 to 15 minutes. That's how much it only takes, okay? So you put this inside already. As you can hear, it's already lightly hot, my saucepan, okay? Maybe add a little bit more of carrot. And if you cut it that thin, the soup easily is done in a few minutes. And the good thing is, when we blended it right away and we don't overcook all these ingredients, you're gonna get most of it out in nutrition, of course, and then at the end, health benefits. Oh yeah. So here we go. So we're gonna add now the leek and the celery. So let's chop this really fine as well. Great. So next will be the shallot. One is enough, okay? And let's add these ingredients in our saucepan as well. That carrot vegetable stock smells already so good. Great. So now, last but not least, our shiitake mushroom, and there should be most. We focus on the shiitake mushrooms. They're very alkalizing and very cleansing, and there are many carrot soups in the world, but not many shiitake soups. I can use a little bit more vegetable stock. The golden rule is very simple. You put vegetable inside and then you just barely cover the vegetable with vegetable stock. This is enough liquid then to cook your soup, okay? Let's put this a little bit higher. Okay, now we add a little bit, just for the creamy consistency, of our pumpkin seed milk. And now we're gonna let this simmer for 10 minutes, and then we have another quick look, okay? So the soup has been cooked now for 10 minutes, and you see everything is soft, the carrot is cooked, and that's wonderful. Everything is soft but not overcooked. The color are gonna be still beautiful. Here we go. And we just fill in the soup in here. Yes, and it smells already fantastic. I must say, it's also the pumpkin seed milk. It's just the flavor, it makes it so nice. So let's blend this for, let's say, 20 seconds. Yes. Soup is blended. And it's wonderful. We're gonna put it back in our saucepan. And you see the consistency? That's what I'm talking about, a soup. It's really thick. Let's season now with sea salt and pepper. Woo. Careful. Okay. Now the sea salt. The soup is perfect now, balanced perfectly with sea salt, pepper black, okay? And now we will plate our soup, right here. And look, that thick, nice consistency. That's how soup should be. I did slice a few shiitake ahead and blanched them in boiling water and put them in ice water right away. So we have a little nice garnish for top, okay? Here we go. So maybe we make a nice circle here. Have these beautiful mushrooms. Enough. Well done. And what you do to drizzle around at the very end is a little bit of extra virgin coconut oil. And here we have a few oregano leaves. Also, for example, tarragon would work very fine, but I choose today oregano because it just came in freshly today. Okay, here it is then. Our shiitake carrot soup with extra virgin coconut oil. Please enjoy.